You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps.
Oh. Hi, how you doing? Oh!
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat.
And a lot of the dogs did not like it. He is social, but he's more...
How to get you clean.
Reggie, don't eat him.
Hey, get down. Get down.
It's broccoli.
Yes, sir.
She's not a big fan. Oh, is she? Oh,
It's not that serious.
Should I get a dog?
Oh, shit.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed.
What's going on, man?
Whoa.
Excuse me.
¡Mami! ¡No despierta Wilson! ¡Hey!
I have a spider cat in my jacket.
Kermit. I love you.
You can hear me. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Want somebody?
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
What's that? What's that, brother?
May I have your smelly bird? No, no, no.
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
No! No!
Is he going to deliver? Sweet! Oh!
Excuse me?
Fucking relax. Thank you.
Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Get. Oh, she really stuck, G.
Oh, his tail. Oh.
Yeah.
For them.
You want attention, but you're just gonna hiss at me. Okay.
Not our $2 chair.
Is being abandoned.
Hi.
Just like that, and a nasty girl.
It's gonna be awesome.
Can't wait. Just don't leave me your house, right?
Stop! He said I love you perfect. I love you. Breathe.
So sweet. Who's that?
Where is the...
Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again. He's new.
Oh. You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy, uppy, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, schnookums, bookums. You're the apple of my.
She's happy for me. She's happy for me.
Who the fuck is this?
What? Oh!